how about the myth that this vaccine wasn't tested in minority communities, so we don't know if it's safe for the black community?
That's one I actually had not heard. And but the because it truly is a myth. Because it if having read all of the studies, Pfizer, um, there was a 10% population of those that were studied. 10% of them were black. Same can be said for Moderna. It was about 10%. Janssen was about 13%. And those are kind of their United States numbers. If you look globally, the only number I could find for Janssen was actually a little higher. It was around 20% of, Black African American is kind of how they described it. But anywhere from between 10 and 13%, which is a little less than our representation in the population in the United States, but still is you know, a decent representation as a representative representation in the country relatively. So it has been tested in minority groups, specifically Black people, but it's also been in our Latinx communities, Asian communities as well, but a little less than in the Black community though.